Sige na, go na. Sa fish. Sure. Hinay eh. Siya manggod ang uyog.
Fishy!
Ano tong white isa na fish?
Nilay sa lamang mo. Mami,
Ano naman? Nawa isa.
For today's video, we have a hotel, a room. Let's go
Wow!
Next, we have shoes of mommy, and we have umbrella, and a little table with two chairs and a charging place. Next, this is the pain villa. We are in the third. Next, we have this door and then we open it.
Wow!
There is a bed that has a mat that's purple. Next, we have a plugger and we have our luggage. And when we open here, there's lots of plants. There is some pictures there. The Japanese picture. And this is a phone call and a little lamp. And this is a pillows and a mat. Here, we
Ay,
have
salamat, may
these
kape.
cups. And this
Or hot water.
hot water. And this is the
We have
water.
free coffee.
And we have this
Tissue holder.
tissue and coffee. And then when you go here,
Bathroom.
it's a bathroom.
It's open.
Let's open the lights. Here we have a shower and a
Heater.
heater and a little fan there.
That's the exhaust fan.
And
And look
this,
at the mirror. Oh.
And this is a little shampoo or a sea cloud shampoo. And this is the little toilet and the
Look at the mirror, Isa. You can on the mirror. Oh. Turn off the
the
mirror.
soap and the faucet and this
The scent na isa, the oil
the sun
So the
and the other light.
switch. Look at the bulb light na may mirror light.
Next, we're gonna go outside and we have a light.
Yes,
And
the TV.
we have a TV that has lots of pluggers. And here is a table. This is mommy's bag and macaroni.
And we can put the bag under the
Oh.
table.
And
The
we
aircon
can
Isa.
put bag under the table.
We have aircon although it's cold.
The aircon and the curtains here. We have.
Wala na.
What do you need curtains? Can you need curtains? And this is the light and the aircon. Bye, guys.
Lang, ang cat oh, nangayo ang cat. Ngayo daw si cat. Dali na, dali mami, dali oh, kaon. Doon siya nag-iadto sa cat. Ay, giadto niya ang isa ka cat. Giaway niyang isa ka cat.
Give me my country day.
Sige daw, patilawad ako kung Japan, bagyo na.